How to Eat a Crawfish 101. You find the biggest crawfish. This guy looks pretty good. Beautiful. You tear off his head, and then you suck it. It's delicious. Throw that around. Then you get this tail. You pop the ends open. Pop the ends. You pinch that tail, and it pulls right out. Just like that. And enjoy. One's 25, 25.